How to download and install Falling Tree for Minecraft. So first, just simply click on the link that I will put in the description below. Once you've clicked on that, it will bring you right here on this website. And what you will need to do is just simply find the version that you're currently on. So I'm currently on 1.21.1. We'll just simply find that version. So it is here right here. And just simply pick the modeler that you want. So I'm currently using Forge, and if you don't have Forge yet, you just simply need to watch my other video on how to install Forge for your Minecraft. But once you have it, you just simply need to click on the three dots right here, and then just simply click on download file and wait for it to download. So once it is downloaded, you simply need to move it to the mods folder of Minecraft. So just go to .minecraft folder right here, go to app data roaming.minecraft, go to mods. Then you just simply need to move the Fallen Tree mod right there. Once that's done, you simply need to open up your Minecraft. Now just open up Minecraft and go to some trees and just cut it down and everything will fall off. So you can do it again with big trees like this and everything will fall off just like that. And also the leaves will fall off and now you can get some apples and stuff. And that's how you basically install Fallen Tree mod for Minecraft.